Hello beautiful people, I'm all dressed up and ready to go for the Sephora Day event here in Singapore. So what this event is a yearly affair where Men's Gold card members can exchange their points or take it to this event that showcase certain brands and also give out a goodie bag. So what I'm going to do is I'll share the unboxing of my goodie bag later when I collect it. I thought it'd be fun to do it together. So see you later. Hi, I'm going back now and I have my Sephora bag with me. I'm on the Alcove Bridge. So we'll go back and I'll show you what I got in the goodie bag. This is the Becca Skin Love, infused with a glow of nectar and brightening Hydra Complex. Weightless Blur Foundation, as well as the Brighten and Blur Primer. This is the Brighten and Blur Primer. It does give a mattifying feel on the skin. So, Shimmering Skin Perfector and Spotlight. Can you see any shine? Okay. Got this. Pixi Clarity Lotion, Ceramide and Willow Bark, oil-free moisturizer. Okay, sealed up. Try this. Ooh, it's like a gel form. Job. It feels nice and cooling. Not much fragrance, light, fresh fragrance. Okay. This, what is it? Stress Check Kind Hand Soothing Hand Cream for dry overwashed hands. I think this definitely let's see. As you can see, I have dry skin around my fingernails due to overwashing. So let's see how it goes. Okay, it looks a bit better. It does look better and has softened the skin. This one. It's a Stila One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. Mixture of different colors suspended in a gel. So, can you notice the difference? Yes, it does tone down the redness. Feels nice and smooth as well. This Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum helps reduce look of hyperpigmentation and even tone. So cute. Such a cute little dot. Smooth, silky feel. I was actually hoping for eyeshadow palette, but instead I got this, which is the new foundation stick called the Full Filter Skin Finish. It's a buildable coverage foundation stick and it's in toasted coconut. Now I wonder how it will go on my skin tone. Oops. Oh, this looks like quite a big stick, so that's how it looks. Try the back on my skin. It's a little bit too yellow for me. It's a bit too deep for me. But it seems like it's not too bad. It's not emphasizing any dryness. It's not settling into the fine lines. It looks quite good. Still try it out. And this is the coconut oil gel. It's a foundation in creating the hydrated live-in undone hair of right now. Apply to clean, towel dried hair and let it dry for optimal optimal separation and hydration. Nudestix. This is a cream concealer, and I got the color Nude 4. Let's try it again. See whether I can cover this little spot on my hand. Actually, it would be nice to get makeup products and items instead, not foundation or base products, because the cut is quite hard to get a color that matches our skin tone. So I would have actually preferred some cosmetic items. So anyway, we carry on. So this is the Everyday Humans. First time I heard of this brand. It's a resting beach face sunscreen. Spinach green tea and hyaluronic acid. Ooh, it's very thin in consistency. It smells a little bit like sunscreen, but not too strong a smell. And this is a shade Nudestix Citrus Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer with Yuzu and Turmeric. And Percy and Reed Hydrating TLC Mask for the hair. So it's used as a rinse-off treatment mask or in place of a conditioner. Thinner consistency, but not that thin. It smells very nice and fresh. And I have this. I had this in a tub, so this is the first time I'm seeing this in a bottle. I do like the smell. I find it quite easy open seal. Let's see, is it really easy open? Yes, it is. So, yep, it smells the same. Looking forward to using this again. Consistency, maybe it's a little bit lighter than the one in a tub, if I'm not wrong. But I do like it because I find it very calming experience when I use it in the shower. And what do I have? This is Wishful Get Even Rose Oil. After moisturizer, apply generously to face and décolleté. Gently pat until fully absorbed. And use daily as the last step in your skincare routine. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, such a pretty little bottle. I like it. Can you see? Smells more like dried roses. This one's interesting. What is this? It's the Dear Dahlia, and it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick. Sounds interesting. Ooh, so pretty. I didn't expect to see this cute little look at this, how cute are they? So I have 1, 2, 3, 6 of them. Yeah, it's nice to have a makeup item. So this is my first makeup item. Okay, now to do some, just take it out and do some swatches. So these are the 6 colors, and these all fit in the palm of my hand. They're really cute. Just nice a size for someone who has so much makeup. Okay, I have this Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub. Ooh, it does feel drier. See the little beads? I'm looking forward to using it. It's not a strong smell, but again, it smells like a fresh smell. Beads. What else do I have? This is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Oh, it comes in the pump. This is very jelly, very thin. Micro Super Scrub for the face and body. The scrub is really very fine particles. It's not much fragrance. Glycolic exfoliant with bamboo stem extract. So this is the One Size by Patrick Starr liquid eyeliner. Bodacious Black, I think that's how you pronounce it. Nice bright and red. Nice for Chinese New Year. Let's see how it applies. Okay, just to apply it here. It does look like you have a brown tinge in it. And I have this Living Proof Repair Mask. Nice fresh smell. What's this? Tata Harper Waterlock Moisturizer. Smells very green, if you like the kind of green smell. And we have the Biosense Squalene Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. It's a light smell, also reminiscence of a spa. Another makeup item, looks interesting. Pixi Vitamin Plus Vitamin C Lip Brightener. Isn't it cute? It's like pink lemonade. It's Becca Light Shifter Dewing Tint. It's very sheer, feels nice and comfortable on the hand. Okay, a little bit oily, so maybe it's more suitable for drier skins. Not too sure until I test it on myself. Okay, that's my last item in my big Sephora bag, which is great for the beach. You can fit your beach towel and all your necessary stuff. This seems quite strong because even though I try to wipe it off, it's hanging on. Okay, here are my thoughts on my first Sephora Press Day event goodie bag. The plus point is I get to try new products that I would have otherwise overlooked. However, compared to the previous years, majority of the items are sample sizes instead of the full size. I also believe that customers who shop at Sephora are makeup lovers, so it would also have been more exciting to receive more makeup items and at least one eyeshadow palette. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.